3, 25, 20, 21. That's what I said. Most importantly, NASDAQ Composite. What did we do on the first pass? We tested the 100-day simple moving average with a gap down today. We made those lows and then we had a rebound, and that we did. And not only that, the sell signal increased dramatically from the previous day. The sell signal was only -6. So when we hit that sell signal, everybody, at -18, it caught a bid. And it did, and the algorithms kicked in. We're master at algos, we write our own. And let us just tell you that we did get that first bounce. That first pass is always a test. It was a critical one at that, and it was. Let's take a look at the weekly, though, so that way we can really test ourselves. And there we go. There's the weekly resistance. That blue line is a 10-week moving average, and we're testing the 20-week, and that's crucial for this index right now on the NASDAQ Composite, and it is. And not only that, though, let us understand one thing. Now, as a master at technical analysis, if you would like to learn the magic 5 indicators that will take you to the next level, at least you could wade yourself through the market, get through the quicksand, then sign up for the free 5-day trial. Now, that was the crucial test on the weekly. And that 20-week moving average is equal to the same value, my friends, as the 100-day moving average, okay, on the daily chart, okay? And so I want everyone to understand, though, that with these rallies that we had, let's just point out these 2 up days. Well, we had 3 down days, okay? And we had an up day back over here. And then you had the down day, and then you had another down day. So you can see what this pattern looks like, because we only need to look at really that time frame. Now, when I take you on the NASDAQ Composite on the hourly, we can see where all of the hourly minute period moving averages are declining in value. When we hit that low on the NASDAQ Composite, that 100-day moving average and that weekly moving average, you will see that the MACD sell signal was -45. Then it started improving to 43, -30, minus right there, 20, and look at that, only -11. So when we hit that extreme on the lows, that was a low of that minus number, and then the ascending value is where that ascending value came up right away, and it did on the 60, and it starts right there. Bam, you can see it. Okay, and you can see it from a 60-minute level of the downtrend of late, and then that bottom and whatnot that we're talking about. That's an hourly view. Now, back to the daily, to the 100-day, that any rally up to resistance, the markets are still going to have what we call challenges. These are not bull market right here. Long-term secular bull, yes. But short-term, it's a bear trend. And this is the first 100-day moving average test. Let me tell you something, everybody. If we close or sell or gap down whatever day, next week or any time at all, below that 100-day moving average in this NASDAQ Composite, we are going lower. And that means that the tech sector goes lower if this happens. And we are positioning ourselves in many different sectors, and we are. And we're always out to buy at the right prices, as we are, and we always will be that way. And that will never change in what we do and how we do it. Option trading room. Yeah, that's where you need to be. Take the free trial, do it now, and do it while you can. Don't hesitate, don't wait. Any rallies up to resistance, people will remain selling into them and rotating out. That's where we're at. Now, seasonality. We're going to be getting out of this madness March as we are. And tech is never going away. Technology is never going away. No. And tech stocks are not going away. They will have trading ranges, particularly in the option market right now. And there will be many opportunities, as there will be. There will be the opportunities, my friends, that there will be a spring rally of some sort. There always is. Seasonality. We have earnings season coming in April, as we do. And boy, do we do well then. And do we really enjoy life during the earnings season. Just the way we are. We've been that way. But we do well. And that's why. So, once again, NASDAQ Composite, critical test, 100-day moving average, sell into resistance. It's broken down. The 50 days up here, the 10-day, the next first, and we can shoot up and test them. We get those wicks up there. But I will tell you to be cautious, because no matter what, the trend in the current shorter time frame is in a bear trend, which makes money. And you can, if you're disciplined and willing, you can make a lot of money. And you can in this index. And the top stocks that trade in the NASDAQ Composite and the NASDAQ 100. Yes, the NDX 100. That's where the big boys are. And, that's the top 100 stocks in this NASDAQ Composite. Let it be known. So, once again, we welcome you. If you want to improve, then give us a shout. We have managers on standby, willing and ready to work with you. And they are. So, go ahead and contact me, and we'll be happy to make sure that you set up with one of them. They work for me. Don't worry. So, all of the entry and exits and whatnot, you'll be getting it from them, and you'll do quite well. And we have managed account programs, and they will run those programs as well. Just contact us. Have a good day.